Welcome to University Park Studios. Guys, I got a great listing for us this time, man. This is a unicorn of a listing. Only 8 blocks from the University of Florida, north of UF. Let me tell you how rare having walking distance student housing for sale is in Gainesville, Florida. First of all, University of Florida is the #7 public university in the country. This is 8 blocks north. In the trailing 5 years, there have only been 3 student housing sales walking distance to campus. And by the way, all 3 of those were giant sales, $15, $20, $40 million deals. Never do small 17 unit complexes like this come available. So here's what we got, 17 units, 16 of them are studios measuring 360 square feet each. The 17th unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Now, this place has been fully renovated over the years, including we got a new roof in 2017. And by the way, this thing's built like a brick house. Concrete block, floor to floor, lush landscaping everywhere. The location is sensational. And here we are on the 2nd floor. Down here, we've got a great spot for bicycle racks or scooters. Look at the shade trees on this thing. Plenty of shade. We're in the middle of July in 100-degree heat with a heat index that's even worse. No sweat, because we got great shade trees. Beautiful common areas right here. I'm telling you, this one's gonna go fast. The studios are renting on an average of about $790 per month, but the last 5 or 6 leases were done at $809. And the 1-bedroom, $1,000 a month. Hello, anybody home? All right, we finally get to get inside one of the 16 studio units. Check this thing out, how cool is this? Think about if you were in school, or even if you were one of the young professionals who just needs a studio unit. I'm thinking the bed goes right here, or a lot of the students are doing the couch fold out, so you still have all this room for a table, end tables in each corner. Check this out, look at this bad boy. The LG wall unit. This thing cools the whole place. If this was on, as a matter of fact, let's just film from here for a minute. Oh yeah, it's good, it's good. This thing cools the whole place, it's the best. 2-inch blinds, good stuff. Look at all the room here. Let's talk about the kitchen now. So in the kitchen, we've got granite countertops. Granite. Y'all probably don't even have granite sometimes back at the house. The kids these days have granite. Real wood cabinetry. This is the good stuff. Look at this. Look at these finishes, man. Fridge and freezer all day long. And look at this cute little stove. Special built, you can order these, they're available. Microwave up top. Awesome. Got a little window with the light coming in. Now we're peeling around. This is another unique one. Washer and dryer included in the rent in all the units. That's like a $75 a month value that's included, all right? And look at these. This is another LG appliance, all-in-one included washer and dryer. Works awesome, the kids love it, the young professionals who rent here love it. You got storage compartments here. Check out the bathroom. Again, real wood cabinetry, pedestal sink, tiled bathroom. I don't know, I'm thinking like this is a pretty neat place to live. If I ever get in trouble at home, I'd come here and live here. Next, we're gonna do a little bit more of the outside walk around and wait till I show you the amenities and the spots nearby that they have access to. It's coming up, it's coming up. And look at all this parking.
Run.
I told you about location. Subject property is just 5 blocks north of here. You got CVS Pharmacy, Krispy Kreme, Target, Bento Cafe, one of the most popular restaurants in the whole county. Coming on down, you got Orange Theory Fitness. And by the way, the most valuable apartment complex in the entire county, 1,200 bedrooms, commercial on the bottom floor, hotel on the other side so the parents can stay there when they're coming to visit the kids. University of Florida is right there, right on that corner, the main business school and the administration. Other corner, gas station. Other corner, Holiday Inn and Paisano's Pizza. Last but not least, you got Publix. Same side of the road, 5 blocks down, groceries, walking distance. What? All right, guys, it's summary time. So much, I gotta put it on a piece of paper. Let me give you the lowdown. Now remember, this is owned by one of the principals of Trimark Properties, the largest owner of the number of properties within walking distance to campus. So you know the records are tight, the history's tight, it's been taken care of phenomenally. 16 studios measuring 360 square feet each, and one bedroom at 432 square feet. The market for studios, just so you know, runs between $1,000 and $1,300 a month on a studio just a few blocks south of here. The renewal rate is 35 to 50% each year. It's on 0.45 acre, and by the way, I've sold 4 deals in the last 2 years, just a few blocks from UF, for $6 to $8 million an acre. It's only a matter of time, but that comes up more north, and this land becomes worth even more than the income stream. 4 to 5% annual increases in rent on this property. 100% occupied since 2004. 100 crazy 16 years of performance. You got 1,000 square foot of open porch per floor. Remember inside, granite countertops, kitchen and bathroom with real wood cabinetry, European washer and dryer combo, laminate wood floors, full-size bath. Included in the rent is the washer and dryer, garbage and pest control. The other cool thing is that in student housing, as you know, it's often all the utilities are included and the landlord has to pay it. Not here. Here, a tenant pays electric, water, sewer, cable, and internet. You're putting more money in your pocket. New roof 2017. Free parking so far, possible money maker in the future. Just so you know, they're charging $150 to $250 a month per parking space up closer to UF. And we saw nearby you got UF, Publix, Krispy Kreme, Target, Starbucks, Mickey D's, Target Coffee, Dunkin' Donuts, Paisano's, Planet Fitness, Lowe's, and new scooters for less, all within walking distance practically. And you got those 2 hotels that the parents can stay at when they're visiting their child. As you can see, you don't have a clubhouse you have to pay for, you don't have big lawns you have to mow, you don't have all the common areas to air condition, so your operating expenses are always really low on this property. All the leases have parental guarantees. Beautiful! And you got 54,000 students to choose from to lease 17 units. And by the way, there's nothing stopping you from leasing to conventional tenants as well. And did I forget to tell you about how rare it is that one of these comes available? Only 3 student housing deals sold in the last 5 years. Come on now, bring me an offer.